For Netflix, he is. He's a big name, brand name producer. He was very important to Fox in terms of the types of shows that he brought to them. They were a little edgy, a little different, and that gave a lot of the brand identity to Fox and their cable network FX. Losing him, they lose what comes with it. Now, they'll have his services for a while. They have a few shows in the pipeline. But it's definitely, from a symbolic standpoint, it's a blow to them. And it shows that Netflix has substantial financial resources. In fact, I think this tells you why Rupert Murdoch decided to get out of the scripted television production business.
Because it was getting so
the stakes are just so high. These companies like Amazon, Netflix, Google, they can pay any amount.
Have more money. They have more money to come in and the scale to do it.
But Michael Morris, I mean, Apple's got a lot of money. Facebook has a lot of money. Netflix has a lot of debt, right? I mean, is this really worth it for Netflix in particular?
Well, I absolutely think it's worth it for Netflix. I think there's two things at work here. You know, one, Netflix has a substantial programming budget. The market is comfortable with that budget. It's over $12 billion this year. It's not only about making a volume of shows, but it's making sure that they have high quality shows. What we have heard from media industry leaders is that the biggest scarcity isn't getting access to shows per se, but it's having the best writers, the best producers make those shows happen. So for Netflix to allocate, call it $60 million a year of an over $12 billion programming budget to attract a proven talent to make these shows happen, I think is a wise investment for them.
That's fine, Michael, except that Netflix has 434 million shares outstanding, stock's up just under $9. So is this guy, Ryan, worth $3.5 billion in added market cap today?
Well, I think it speaks to the enthusiasm the market has for the Netflix recipe. You brought up Apple before, or Amazon. I mean, clearly tremendous companies with great technology, but individuals right now who are talented, who can pick from maybe a couple of places to go to and take their talents, when they go to Netflix, their products can go global immediately. And that makes them prefer that. And I think that you know, it's just part of this virtuous cycle that we talk about.
Picking up on what he just said, Stephen, has there ever been a better time to be a producer?
Never.
Well,
filmed or television?
Clearly not. There are so many buyers, and he raises a good point in terms of you're taking some of the risk out of this. You know, when you make a show for a network or a studio, you have to hope that the ratings are good, that you can make enough episodes for syndication or for a good aftermarket sale overseas or to a streaming service, and then you'll start to see big money. Netflix has given this money to him right away. They're taking all the risk out of this for Ryan Murphy, and he can really go in there and do the kind of shows that he wants. I am sure that that's what lured him to Netflix, as they say, look, you won't get as many notes from us as you get from those guys. You don't have to worry about advertisers. You can realize your dreams and do the types of shows you want to do.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.